Hey, what's up? Do you often mess up the feminine and masculine version in French? This video is for you. Okay, I've been teaching like 850 c- class of French and I see that happen quite a bit. Some people ask me question and I understand it's hard and the reason it's hard is because it make no sense, okay? There's no reason why something is feminine and masculine other than it did develop like that. Okay, so don't be too hard on yourself. This is something that you will master on the long run, but there's some tricks to make it faster. Okay, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. So let's go here. Le masculin et le féminin en français. So there's a rule, okay, but you see, it's presque toujours masculine, like nearly always masculine. So it's not like a full rule, but I think you can use that to speed up the process a lot. So when it ends with age, like fromage, voyage, paysage, it's gonna be le. It's gonna be masculine. All of those are gonna be masculine. So age, okay. J'ai la rage. Oh, you see, it doesn't work. It doesn't work with la rage. Age. I just found an exception. But for the most part, and we're gonna see a bunch of example here. For the most part, it work. Okay. Age. Le coquillage. Le naufrage. Just some example I can find on top of my head. So, man, when it ends with man, le gouvernement, le moment, le changement, le. I'm not even gonna try to find some word right now. So, when it ends with man, en, it means it's gonna be masculine most of the time. O, it's gonna be masculine most of the time. Le château, le bureau, le gâteau, le bourreau, le bateau. Okay, un bateau. And then when it isme, le capitalisme, le tourisme, le réalisme, le féminisme. Okay, even if it's a feminism, like it's a. By the way, if it's la féministe, if it's féministe, then I think it's gonna be feminine for that one. But anyway, okay, isme, o, man, age. Nearly always masculine. Now nearly always feminine is the sion, okay, la nation, la décision, la situation, la lévitation are gonna end up with gonna be feminine. T. After that, I'll tell you another trick we learn when we are a kid, okay, to know those. But I think this one is the best, so I'm gonna speak about this one first. T. La liberté, la société, la réalité, everything that end with T, mostly la. Ans, la différence, la distance, la patience. OK? And ur, la culture, la peinture, la structure. So, okay, we're gonna practice this with that. But first, let me speak about like something I didn't write here. So when we're a kid, we usually will for when we're not sure, we will put in between la and culture or le. If we don't know if it's le culture or la culture, we will add grosse and gros, like big. We'll say la grosse culture or le gros culture, and that give us a bit more context to see like is it masculine or feminine. Like I said, there's no like a reason for it. You can just the only way is to like you've listened to a bunch of stuff and then you try to figure it out. And you can use like la grosse culture because maybe you heard la grosse culture in your life and then oh okay that worked. It's more like la grande peinture. You can use gros, grande, grosse, grand. Okay, la grande peinture ou la grande peinture, le grand peinture ou la grande peinture. Like for me, it's obvious. It's like, oh yeah, obviously it's la grande peinture. Why? because it sounds more natural, because I've heard it said like this in my life. So we learned that at school when I was a kid. And I think I use it to this day. Sometime when I'm not sure about something, I'll use le grand moment ou la grande moment. And I'm like, oh yeah, la grande moment doesn't make sense. So it's like masculine. And another tips is if you're doing flashcards or anything like this, always add the le or la. Okay, never just put gâteau. And sorry for my student, because at first I was not doing this. I was just like, let's say we were learning vocabulary and I was creating a- Anki card. I was doing like gâteau, cake, instead of le gâteau, cake. I think like you can start memorizing way more about the feminine and masculine by doing this, by always adding le or la to know if it's masculine or feminine. So let's do some exercise here. Okay. Décision. Okay. What I noticed here is that we got this sion. Sion, nearly always feminine. La décision. Okay. And la grande décision. For me, that sounds natural. Like le décision, le gros décision doesn't make sense. Like, nah, it doesn't work. La grande décision. Okay. Fromage. Age. Was it masculine or feminine? It was masculine. It was the first one. So it's masculine. Le fromage. Le gros fromage. That work. La grande fromage doesn't work. Maybe you don't see that at all because you don't have enough exposure to the language, but maybe one day it's gonna I'm gonna say them always so that hopefully one day you can use it. One day it's gonna make sense. But culture, okay, now it end with ur. Where was ur? Right there, feminine. La culture, la grosse, la grande culture. Changement, okay, ment, masculine. Le changement climatique, le gros changement. Patience, ok, anse, ok, féminine. La patience, la grande patience. Bureau, okay, do you remember O? First category or second category? It is masculine. Le gros bureau, le bureau, okay. Réalité, that's here. Toop. Féminin. La réalité. By the way, always try to say it. Like you can pause the video when you see me highlight something. That's because I'm gonna speak about it. So pause it, try to say it, like figure it out by yourself because you cannot scroll in there. So try to remember, was it like first category masculine or feminine? Okay. Âge, remember fromage, so it's masculine. Le paysage, le grand paysage. Distance, okay, in the same category of patience, which is here, féminin. La distance, une grande distance. Tourisme, okay, isme, do you remember? First category, le tourisme. Situation, second category, la situation. You can maybe take a screenshot of that thing here. Just like the goal is for at the end of this exercise here, hopefully it's only 8. It's only 2 rule with 4 each. So hopefully you can memorize that really strongly. Okay. Even me right now, I mean, if I just think about it, le gâteau. Okay, yo, masculine. But I'm trying to remember the rule. So I have to look maybe a little bit. Masculin. Le gros gâteau. Le grand gâteau. Peinture. Okay. Ur. Here. Féminin. La peinture. Capitalisme. Okay. The isme. Pretty easy. Masculine. Le capitalisme. Nation. Ion. Feminine. Those are feminine. La nation. Âge. Okay. Remember fromage. Da 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 da. Masculine. Le grand voyage. Liberté. Feminine. T. When it ends with T. Liberté, société, réalité. Moment. Okay, the en. Moment. First category, masculine. Un moment. Un grand moment. Différence. Okay, anse. Which one was it? Here. La différence. Une différence. Une grande différence. La grosse différence. Château. When it ends with O, it's here. Masculine. Château. For some reason, for me, O sound masculine. So maybe that's gonna help you. O, O, O. Structure. Ur. Mask. Wait. Feminine. Sorry. I should just like pay more attention and just think about it because I know them. Structure. Une structure. Okay. Réalisme. Un réalisme. Le réalisme. Masculine. Société. La société. Okay. La société. Where was I? Okay. Gouvernement. Le gouvernement. Le grand gouvernement. Masculine. Tolérance. To be honest, it's kind of hard to remember the ounce, which part was it. I hope you're doing better than me. It's feminine. Like me, I know them automatically. Le mécanisme. Masculine. Performance. Okay, feminine, because we just saw it. La performance. La grande performance. Masculine. Le barrage. Température. Féminine. Langage. Okay, like the same category âge. Le langage. First one. Résidence. Une résidence. La résidence. La grande résidence. Une grande résidence. Courage. Le courage. Le gros courage. J'ai du gros courage. Présence. La présence. Une grande présence. Quelqu'un a une grande présence. Mirage. Un mirage. Un gros mirage. Which is like you're in the desert and you see like fake water. Science. La science. Sabotage. First category. Masculine. Un sabotage. Fréquence. Whew, there's a lot. I'm tired. Here you got the response. Maybe I'll put that in the chat. Okay, I'll put that in the chat. You can do it maybe on your own. I'm tired of doing that. La grande fréquence. I'm gonna try to go quickly over them. You can just pause, okay, to get more time to memorize it. But obviously, I don't need that. It's for you. Nettoyage. Un nettoyage. Un grand nettoyage. Conscience. Ma conscience. Une conscience. Une grande conscience. Un naufrage. Un gros naufrage. La violence. La violence conjugale. Une violence intense. Une grosse violence. Un montage vidéo. Un montage. Une résistance. Une résistance. Rangement. Un rangement. Un gros rangement. Right? Gouvernement. Conférence. Une conférence. Filtrage. Un filtrage. You know what? I think I'm not gonna say what I just realized. But look, I'm gonna stop here because that's already enough. Okay, let's do a little review of that. If it's âge, if it's man, if it's o, if it's isme, masculine. If it's sion, te, ans, feminine. So learn that. That's gonna cover a lot of vocabulary at once. And then when you do flashcards, when you learn, always put the la, le, okay, and get as much input as you can. It's gonna help you a lot. And then the other trick is to use gros, grosse, grand, grande, in between the le and the something, la and the something, okay, or to figure out what is it, le or la. You can use that. So hopefully that clear things up a little bit for you. and you'll get it eventually. So keep working on it. You're the best. Okay. Peace. Leave a comment down below if that helped you, and if it didn't help you, leave a comment still, and I'll try to help you better if you have any idea. So peace. You're the best.